Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dig deep into the world of beauty to help you make the best choices for your routine. Now imagine this. You're reaching for a lipstick, but instead of the usual heavy drying feeling, it feels as light as a feather, smooth as velvet, and lasts all day. Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's exactly what we're exploring today with the Pupa Milano I Am Love Proof Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade 0110 Fire Red. This product promises a luxurious, long-lasting, and comfortable lip experience. But does it deliver? Let's dive in and find out. The Pupa Milano I Am Love Proof Matte Liquid Lip Color is designed for those who crave the perfect balance between bold color payoff and comfort. This lipstick claims to provide full coverage with a silky smooth, velvety texture that doesn't dry out your lips. It's available in the 110 Fire Red shade, a rich, vivid red that's sure to catch attention. The lightweight formula is a standout, promising to stay on throughout the day without the discomfort that some matte lipsticks can cause. When I first applied the Pupa Milano lipstick, I immediately noticed how effortlessly it glided on. The texture is indeed luxurious, with a smooth, almost creamy feel that hugs the lips without feeling heavy. It's not as thick or tacky as some other matte formulas, which is a huge plus for comfort. Despite its velvety feel, it doesn't settle into lip lines or feel like it's drying out as the day goes on, something that often happens with matte lipsticks. One thing I really appreciate is the pigment intensity. The color payoff is rich and vibrant, even with just one swipe. It's definitely a full coverage lipstick, and the Fire Red shade is perfect for those who love a bold statement lip. This shade particularly brightens up the face and gives an instant polished look. In terms of staying power, this lipstick lives up to the love-proof claim. I wore it for a full day, through meals, drinks, and even a few cups of coffee. While it didn't stay 100% perfect through everything, it did hold up remarkably well, fading evenly and leaving a stain that still looked flattering as the day went on. It also didn't transfer much, which is great for those who don't want lipstick on their coffee mugs or collars. Now, while I love the comfort and color payoff, there's always room for improvement. One minor downside is that, despite being comfortable, the lipstick can feel a little drying after several hours of wear. It's not extreme, but for those with very dry lips, you might want to prep your lips with a hydrating balm before applying. As for the price point, Pupa Milano is a luxury brand, and their products tend to come at a higher cost. That being said, the quality is evident in the formulation and the brand's reputation for providing high-performance, Italian-made beauty products. For anyone looking to invest in a luxury matte liquid lipstick that's lightweight, comfortable, and bold, this product is definitely worth considering. If you're on the hunt for something a little more budget-friendly with similar performance, there are some excellent alternatives on the market. For example, the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick offers a similar long-lasting, matte finish at a more affordable price point, though the texture may be a little more intense. Overall, the Pupa Milano I Am Love Proof Matte Liquid Lip Color in 0110 Fire Red delivers on its promises of rich, intense color and long-lasting wear with a silky, comfortable finish. The color is beautiful, the formula is lightweight, and it gives your lips a luxurious, plush feel. If you're looking to splurge on a high-end matte lipstick that combines both comfort and performance, this is a great option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.